Hello friend, welcome to back my YouTube channel. How are you doing? Practice all English learner. Today here we are gonna discuss topic about two similar topic, can and able to, as well as would and used to. But before here will be some new guys. They will be first watching my video. First subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell button and share my video. I hope this video will be interesting to all English learner. Let us discuss first topic, can and able to. Let us discuss first formula, subject plus can plus V1, as well as subject plus able to plus V1 plus object. Okay, now what we use the can or able to? We can use show the ability, capability and possibility. At that time we can use can topic. Okay, now let us discuss formula. मैं इंग्लिश बोल सकता हूँ, आई कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश. मैं फोर व्हीलर चला सकता हूँ, आई कैन ड्राइव फोर व्हीलर. मैं स्विमिंग कर सकता हूँ, आई कैन स्विम. मैं इंग्लिश हजारों लोगों में बात कर सकता हूँ, आई कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश इन फ्रंट ऑफ 1000 पीपल. ओके, वह इंग्लिश में बात कर सकता है. ही एबल टू स्पीक इंग्लिश. ओके, नाउ दैट इज सेकंड एग्जांपल. वह इंग्लिश राइटिंग लिख सकता है. ही एबल टू राइट इंग्लिश. ही एबल टू राइट इन इंग्लिश. ओके, वह ड्राइविंग कर सकता है. ही एबल टू ड्राइव. ओके, वह सिंगिंग कर सकता है. ही एबल टू सिंग अ सॉन्ग. ओके, एंड वह इंग्लिश में बात, वह फोन पे इंग्लिश में बात कर सकते हैं. ही एबल टू टॉक इंग्लिश ऑन कॉल. ओके, नाउ we are gonna discuss second topic, would and used to. Okay, let us discuss first formula, subject plus used to plus V1 plus object plus remaining sentence. Okay, second formula, subject plus would plus V1 plus object plus remaining sentence. Okay, what we use the would and used to when we show the we have done something in past. Okay, now this thing is totally completed. Okay, at that time we use either used to or would. Okay, now let us discuss first formula. मैं पहले इंग्लिश में बात नहीं कर सकता. I did not used to speak in English airline. I did not used to speak in English airline. Okay, second example, मैं पहले पुणे में रहता था. I used to live in Pune. मैं पहले पुणे में कंपनी में काम कर सकता. I used to live in Pune and I used to work in company. Okay, मैं पहले चाय पीता था. I used to drink a tea before. Okay, now we can use either would. Okay, वह पहले पुणे में कंपनी में काम कर सकता था. He used to work in Pune company. वह पहले पुणे में रह सकता था. He would live in Pune. वह पहले पुणे में कंपनी में काम कर सकता है. He would work in Pune before. Okay, now we are and second example, like वह पहले ड्राइविंग नहीं कर सकता. He would not drive before. Okay, this two topic we can use can or able to. This is when we talk many guys, most of time we use can or able to. Show in our capability, ability, possibility. At that time we can use this can and able to. Okay, and as well as we can use different type of can and able to, but this video I have only mentioned about similar topic can and able to, and there are different sort of can and able to, but this video I have made short, just show the similarity of two topic. As well as second, would and used to. Okay, this we use talk to in past tense, we have done those things. At that time we can use would and used to. Okay, I hope those are best essential topic to learn English when we um, like interact to English with many guys. Most of time we use this topic. Okay, and guys, this topic do practice English every day, and persistency and burning desire, and daily do practice. Uh, Practice is best way to become a fluent English speaker. As well as um, continuity is also matter. Do practice in English every day. Don't wasting time. As well as you can make in your WhatsApp group and chat with many friends and talk always. Try to become a extrovert person. Okay, everybody they first started to speak English. At that time they seems introvert, but try to come out in your comfort zone. Until or unless you are not gonna come out in your comfort zone, you are getting similar what you are getting um, uh, airline. That's why do practice in English every day, and I hope all guys like my video, and I hope my YouTube channel is best way to learn English. I bring this kind of different sort of video. Okay, hello friend, if you really like this video, please don't forget like, subscribe, share, comment my video, and show the sign if you like video, yes, and if you don't like video, show the sign no, and stay home, stay safe. Now this COVID-19 pandemic going on, and I hope we will meet as soon as possible within a some day. Like next video I will bring as soon as possible, and do practice with English already all guys. Thanks for watching my video.